Okay, we're here sa Vaughan Mills.
Yeah. This
It's
is a tiny SM.
but it's one of the largest outlet stores here.
Mura daw, no?
Parang regular outlet store.
Yeah.
May mga, I think, surplus.
Oo.
So, cheaper daw. But let's see, compare.
Totoo.
Compare. Calvin Klein.
Who's that?
Si Jungkook.
Si Jungkook ba yan? Hello, Dean. Oh,
We
Jungkook.
miss you.
Nakabuka pa. Parang, come on, gimme some. Ayun, yun yung favorite ni Dean.
Favorite ni Dean.
Yan, no? Yung kalaban. Kalaban. That's it.
All I can say.
We are not the best in this
In a
type
mall.
of places.
Ano pa kami ng
But at least may fish.
interesting stuff.
Hello. Chocolate?
Italian food.
Oh, hi. Wow, that looks good. Wow. Sarap? So sarap. Free taste of the tiramisu. Wow. Sarap.
Lemon chocolate.
So 100 grams. Sarap.
Baklava.
Wow, bakla. What's that?
Baklava.
Sarap? Sarap.
First time to try.
Yeah, sarap. Sarap, no? Okay. It tastes great. So it's 6. Okay.
6 for 1.
Yeah, 100. How many pieces is 100 grams? Sorry. Around 2? 1 or 2. Around 1 or 2. Okay.
Baklava tastes.
Yeah, how was the baklava?
Baklava tastes good. Sarap.
Anong lasa?
Nutty. and
Nutty.
Very sweet. Na pero parang binubuhusan nila ng sugar yun eh. So,
Yeah.
so parang may layer.
Yeah.
Layer nila. Tapos isang layer ng pastry.
Yeah.
Tapos nuts.
Yeah.
Pastry nuts. Tapos bubuhusan ng sugar.
For me, masarap.
Sarap.
Very nutty, very sweet.
Yeah. Yan.
This is Harry Potter's dad.
Harry Potter's dad. Ayan.
Oh,
Yun, wow.
May mga fake animals.
Yeah.
Fake animals.
Siguro ano to? Parang mga outdoor store. Outdoor world! Kaya sabi ko, siguro outdoor store sa
Sa
outdoor
Canada, ganito
world.
kalaki yung mga bear eh.
Yeah,
Alam niyo
ayan
ba?
no.
Normal yan.
Normal, totoo. Tapos nagbubuhat sila.
Huge ass bears.
Yeah. Let's enter the outdoor world. Entrance is parang nasa park. Ayan, meron kang fountain.
Wow.
Do not climb on the rocks.
That's something different.
Yeah, and then they will sell you some outdoor stuff. Yeah, may shark.
Kaya.
Shark attack.
Ano siya? Remote controlled shark.
Para saan? Panglaruan.
Aesthetic.
Look at the aesthetic of this place. It's very outdoorsy. And bagay ang bag ni Chon kasi siya ay isang gorilla. Wool boot socks.
Yeah, mahal kasi wool.
Yeah, and also pang-hike. Oh.
Ooh.
So, goal namin mag-hike here someday.
Merel. 5K.
5K. O, mas mura pa.
5.5.
Same lang. Pero, okay na.
Hindi, mga 6.
Ay,
Same lang, same.
Same lang pala. Pero sabi nila, maganda daw ang quality kapag Canadian brand. So,
Hindi naman Canadian brand.
we have to look for a Canadian brand. Ayun, shooting range. Oh, yun.
They teach you how to
I will listen, help, cheer, believe, discover. So, is it free? No, it's not free. You have to pay. Loonies only. Ay, wow. Ayan, do you want to try? Loonies only. We have Loonies 1.
One?
Siguro 1 per bala.
May change machine there, so it ensures that you can spend your money.
Yeah. They encourage you to use your money. Ah, galing oh.
Hindi, wala namang bala ray, digital lang siya.
Gumagalaw naman nga.
Yeah, pero walang bala ray.
Go girl. You can do it. Wala siyang tatamaan.
Galing.
So let's skip that.
Ah, ray, tingnan mo yun.
Okay, where? Ayun,
Stag,
kinakain. Kinakain siya.
Stig, ito legit na yan.
Ayun, legit.
Kapag parang robot looking na, legit na yan.
Oo.
Yan yung mga pang-Olympics.
Ah, talaga? Ano ba to? Ah, pang ano? Pang hunt?
Hindi, usually kapag mga Olympics,
Fudge.
ganyan yung itsura, parang robot yung mga ano.
Ah, talaga?
Hindi parang Hunger Games.
Oo. Oh no, I don't want to hunt. I don't want to kill animals. Oo nga.
Crossbow.
Ito.
Hindi, if I'm not mistaken, yung ethical hunting, yun
Ano
yung
yan?
kapag hinahunt nila yung mga sobrang animals lang. Kaya parang
Pest? Ganon?
Hindi pest. Pero conserved yung number ng mga animals there. So kapag masyado nang marami yung mga doon lang nila papatayin. Yun yung ethical hunting.
And they have to eat it. Parang ganon, di ba? Tama ba?
Oo, they have to eat it. Hindi pwedeng barilin.
Oo, I
But don't take my word for it.
Yeah.
That was a lawyer speak.
Oo.
Speaking without knowing.
Oo.
Baril,
Peta. Calling Peta. Yan.
Ang gaganda nung
Oh my God. Pwede kang bumili ng baril dito. I'm
Totoo ba
scared.
yan? Fake ba yan? Baka preserved yan.
Oh my God,
That looks so
no.
realistic eh. Are they fake? Or are they the real thing and they're preserved? They're real
They're
and they're
real?
preserved. Oh, okay. Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
So I knew it. It was very,
Realistic.
looking. Ang laki, no?
Oh my God, I'm scared.
Grabe.
Okay.
Oh. 2K, 80K, 100K pesos.
100K per gun.
Yes.
So,
Mga
100K
pang-hunting
pesos.
talaga.
Dikit ka, love. Dikit ka dyan. Because he's camouflaged.
Pwede ko sabihin. Mga hunting na pala here.
Yeah.
I feel the masculinity. Yun, ayun.
Creepies. Ay, wait lang.
Ayun. This is a huge store for everything hunting and hiking related.
Yes.
Safe streets.
Ano nila yan?
1K ito.
Bagong huli. Fresh from the hunt. Ito rin, fudge.
Ito bagong bake.
Bagong bake. Bakit kaya nga?
Grabe, mahal na to. 500.
Kinukuha nila yung honey ng mga bear.
Pero mabigat. In general, here in Canada, affordable yung mga junk.
Yeah. No diff. No diff. Ayan na. Fishing rod. Oo nga eh, si Daddy matutuwa sa mga ganito.
20. Sa mga 6K,
120,
pwede na.
6K. Grabe.
Mukhang legit to.
Oo nga eh. Mahal pala ng ano. Ay, mga ganda yung activity si Daddy kasi hunting,
Oo.
fishing. Pag ganyan lang ako na.
Ito.
Ano yan? Ano? Pang fillet? Fillet knife? Ayan, activity din ni Daddy. Mag-fillet. Pro qualifier. Boat seat?
High back seat. Saan to?
Sa boat? Sabi?
Boat ba? Sa boat mo.
Oo, boat seat nakalagay eh.
Hindi, sa ano lang yan. Sa kotse.
Sa kotse. Kag gusto mo ng ano, baby seat pero for adults.
Pero sarap oh.
Adults baby seat.
Pwede na sa akin to sa 30th birthday.
Alin? Ah, wow. Gusto mo ng ganyan?
8,000 lang.
Gusto mo ng ganito?
Ito, 400,000 lang.
400,000 lang pala eh.
Kaya naman yan.
Totoo. Uncle Devlin, can we try your tractor?
Totoo. Marami siyang tractor.
Yes, GPS ata or
Picture.
oo, GPS?
GPS.
Tama ba? More Hummingbird
Oo nga, tama ka,
Piranha
GPS
Max.
nga. Ang galing,
Pero Ito yung the best. Ako sa 30th birthday ko lang. Ganyan lang. Ayan
Ganyan
lang.
sa'yo?
Pwede na sa akin yan. 87,000 lang naman. Dayom.
Tapos 10%, so mga 5 million.
Okay, 5 million lang. Yes.
Afford mo na at least.
Oo nga naman.
Mas malaki pa sa condo.
30th birthday.
Tapos may mo zero eh.
Oo, don't touch that. Affordable naman pala yung boat eh. 5 million.
Si Luffy
Char.
nga, ano lang,
Ano?
wood lang.
Wood lang. Action, di ba? Siya yung gumawa ng ano niya.
Oo, ganun din yung sa...
Ganun din ba sa anime?
Hindi, wood lang talaga yung sa anime.
Oo. Ano yung Mary?
Hindi pa yun. Nung nag-start siya, as in wood lang. As in, literal piece of wood.
Oo.
A Going Merry, yung legit na yun.
Oo.
Nakuha nila yun sa land ni Usopp. Binigay yun yung kaibigan ni Usopp.
Tama. Oo nga.
Tapos masisira yun.
Ngayon, mas laki na di ba sa comics?
Pero yung masthead, same pa rin.
Same
Kinuha
pa
nila
rin.
yung head ni Mary.
Syempre.
1K.
Ito, totoo
Dog ito.
din. Totoong dog.
Gusto ko may ganitong dog. Cute
Sige.
tong dog na to.
Sige, gusto ko rin ng dog.
Hindi. Ito lang.
Kaya nga.
Ito lang.
Ayan lang. Okay. Pwede na.
Arp, 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 arp.
We cannot,
Cute siya.
we cannot
Dog
take
to.
care of another living being. Diba?
Border Collie.
Wala pa kaming pang take care ng sarili namin.
Ito.
Yan. Tilapia. Char. Ano nga kaya ito mga fishes? Look at the tilapia. We miss you, Khaleesi. Ito pala, fish species. Ayan. Blue Hill. Wow. Okay. Let's go.
I was able to arrive now in Greenland.
Greenland. Saan?
Hindi, Vinland pala yung gusto natin.
Vinland. Oh, Vinland.
Pero katabi na yun, di ba? Iceland
Oo.
yun, di ba?
Ayan.
Nasaan yung Vinland?
Vinland Saga. Ayan, Canada.
So we are in a very exclusive store. This only in Canada will we find Uniqlo.
Very alien to us. Tingnan natin
Uniqlo
magkano
in the
ang
Philippines,
Uniqlo.
in the...
Magkano ang Uniqlo shirt?
800.
Same lang.
Okay, after walking through the mall, we now come to the most exciting part. Looking at the food court.
Food court by KFC, which is very familiar. But according to our ate and kuya, KFC doesn't taste as good as in the Philippines.
Cultures. Villa Mandina. Thai Island.
Yun, A&W.
BMW. Lagi ko tinitignan to eh. May
$3.
bourbon. Ay, Ray, Ira. Chipotle. Woo! Hello, my love. So we saw an interesting store. Hockey Life. Of course, one of the famous sports here in Canada, being a winter country. Hockey Life. Grabe, dedicated siya for hockey lang talaga. Oh. Daming equipment.
First time to see.
Dito yung nagme-meltdown yung sa Inside Out. Toronto Maple Leafs, oh. Kids need sports, Jumpstart needs you. And Ray, kunin mo.
I don't know how to hold it, so...
I think pag ganyan, Ray, oh, parang sa kanila. Ayan, I think parang ganyan. Yeah, kasi pinang-ano mo yan eh. Alam mo ba paano yung hockey? Nag-ano kayo? Nagaganyan.
Ito ba sakit?
Ha?
Masakit hawakan.
Yeah, yan. Yung ano inaano mo eh. Yung ball. Yan, ginaganyan mo siya.
Parang nagwawalis.
Oo, parang nagawalis.
I don't know how to do it.
Careful.
Put it back. Where it belongs.
Hi. Grabe, they love their hockey. Neither of us knows hockey, so we can't give a commentary. Ano ray? May naglalaro. Yun. Let's watch them play. Oh, there are people playing. A shooting lane. Shooting lane. Sabi na parang yung mga sa basketball. Yung mga mag-shoot lang. Ayun oh. Ah, there. Ah, okay. Sorry. Oh, wow. Whoa. Whoa. Practice shooting.
Ang lakas na. Again pala. Pwede ako sa kanila.
May form pa, no? Hello, my love. We are approaching Chuck E. Cheese. This is my personal curiosity. What is Chuck E. Cheese? It's always mentioned in media. But what is it? What is inside a Chuck E. Cheese? Hi. Okay, so this is a Chuck E. Cheese. That's why this is for kids, di ba?
It's an arcade.
Ah. So that's, say cheese, you're on camera. Oh, so this is Chuck E. Cheese. So we can come in. So this is what Chuck E. Cheese, that's why parang pag kids siya eh. So that's what I meant when, yun pala kaya parang nilulook downan na, let's go to Chuck E. Cheese. Kasi pang kids pala siya. It's for kids. So it's a restaurant and an arcade rolled into one. So that's what Chuck E. Cheese is about. Grown-up menu? Where? Grown-up menu.
Pwede ka mag-birthday party
Yeah. Oo nga, no.
So you can treat your friends here.
I know much. Deals. There's a para card system eh. $50, so $2.5 you play ano na. Oo nga, no. So pwede ka mag-birthday. Okay, so we are at a park kung saan nagpa-practice ng skiing kapag may snow. So danger, steep hill ahead. Woo. Yeah, so may cable car to bring you up kapag, well, when you go down. Oh my God! Nakakalula nga pag mag-skiing ka, no? Oh.